Let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2 GA question number 1. If RO denotes increasing order of intensity, then the meaning of the word walk, jog, sprint is analogous to bothered, blank, daunted. Which one of the given option is appropriate to fill the blank? And 4 options are given. Let's first understand the meaning of each word. Walk means moving in regular pace. Then jog means little faster than walk. Then sprint means you can say first run. Okay, you are moving very fast, that is sprint. So here the arrow increase the intensity. Walk, jog, sprint. Next is bothered. Bothered means you are worried, you are concerned about something. And daunted. Daunted means discouraged. Someone is discouraging someone, right? So to make someone feel slightly frightened or worried about the ability to achieve something. So she was not at all daunted by the size of the problem. Like you can say, you are not all daunted by the size of the syllabus of GATE Computer Science. So its synonym is discourage. Now check each option. Option A, fazed. Fazed means to introduce something in stage over a particular period of time. So there are different phases of life, right? Like children, young, old age. So these are the different phases of life. So different stages, that is called as phase. Next is phrased. Phrased means put into a particular form of word. Next is phased. So this phased and this phased pronunciation is same, but spelling are different. What is meaning of this phase? This phase means you can say offset or bothered. Next is fused. Fused means joined or blended to form a single entity. We are joining or we are blending to form a single entity. So here bothered, daunted, option C will be appropriate. So bothered, fazed, daunted. Bothered means little worry or concern about something. Fazed means you are more worried. Then daunted means you don't believe, okay, you discourage something. Answer will be option C, fazed. Bothered, fazed, daunted. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.